Hi everyone, I'm Paula, and I have a quick and easy eggnog recipe just for you, and you can make it under 15 minutes. It goes great with my homemade ice cream, but one of my favorite ways is a great shot of protein in the morning, a great kickstart added to your coffee. Great replacement for store-bought coffee creamers. My full eggnog recipe will be in the description. Making eggnog is this easy. 6 egg yolks. Let's separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Froth up your egg whites. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar, whatever sweetener you like. Frothy. You'll need a half a cup of sugar or any other sweetener of your choice added to your 6 egg yolks. You'll want to beat them until they're this beautiful yellow color. Then you want to go ahead and add your half a teaspoon of cinnamon and your half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Then you're going to add 1 cup of cream, 4 cups of milk on medium-low heat. If you have a thermometer, it would come in handy right now. You do want your eggnog to come up to at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, especially if you're someone who doesn't like raw eggs. If you don't have a thermometer, no worries. Use your finger on the back of the spoon, and when the line doesn't go away, you know your eggnog is ready, as long as it's at the thickness that you desire. This literally takes about 6 minutes. Then you're going to want to strain your eggnog. Nobody likes clumps. We all like smooth eggnog. You're going to add your froth and 2 tablespoons of vanilla into the jar and stir it in while it's warm. Allow your eggnog to cool a little bit on the counter, and then go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for later. Quick and easy homemade eggnog, fantastic coffee creamer. Or you can drink it by itself. Or yes, you could add a little rum to that eggnog. Pairs great with my homemade ice cream. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it at the end. -10 outside. The birds don't seem to care at all. Doves and juncos and cardinals. Time to make more bird suet. I went through 16 suet cakes in 11 days. Yep, sure did. Oh, look. Male cardinal. Well, hello, sir. If you're looking for some more homemade, quick and easy recipes, I'll leave some links at the end. As always, thank you for stopping by.